Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore smart lock codes for tenants using August step-by-step clearly. Ensure your August smart lock is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the August app on your smartphone. Log into your account if prompted. From the home screen, select the lock you want to manage. Tap on the Access tab at the bottom of the screen. Choose the option for Smart Lock Codes. Next, locate the section labeled Manage Codes. Here, you will see a list. Select the code you wish to restore for your tenant. If you need to delete the current code, tap the Delete button. Confirm the deletion when prompted. After deleting, return to the Manage Codes section. Tap on the option to create code or add a code. Select the tenant's name from the list of users or add a new user if necessary. Enter the new access code you want to assign to the tenant. Specify the start and end dates for code access if desired. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, tap Save to activate the new code. The new code will now be sent to the tenant via email or text as specified. Verify the tenant has received the information and can access the lock using the new code. You have successfully restored the smart lock code for your tenant using the August app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.